Rules.
You count if you find one pack of bullets. If you see another one pack, you can keep. There's an extra pack. If you keep it, you can have more bullets in, and there might be cool. And
okay, are we ready?
Yes.
All right, give us the countdown.
We have 20 minutes first.
No,
20 seconds to find a pack of bullets. There's going to be 2 in the back and 2 in the front.
Okay.
And whenever you find a pack, you have to go hide, and you have 10 seconds to hide. So that's in.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, Benson found one. No. I can't find any bullets. Oh, got him. Oh. Hey, Benson's reloading. I gotta find some more bullets because I only have one.
What?
Misfire.
There's only 4 bullet packs.
If you get shot, you have to sit still for 10 seconds.
Yeah. Did you, Daddy?
No. Oh, you got me. I'm going down. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can get up. I missed. Oh, I got hit again. I'm down. Benson got me. I gotta sit down.
I got you. Do it. Got you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right, I'm back in action. I'm coming for you, Benson. Oh, I got hit in the back. I'm down. All right, 10 seconds is up. Where is he? Here comes Benson. Did I get you? Oh! Oh, misfire. Grabbing a bullet. You missed. I gotta reload. Oh, we both got hit. All right. Come on, Benson. I see a red jacket back there. Oh, got me in the hand. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm back alive. Oh, misfire. Misfire. You missed. I'm hit. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did I get it? Oh, I heard somebody got hit. Oh, I'm hit. Oh. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, I've got to get that guy that just got me and Benson. Oh, he got me again. Oh, in the arm.
Can't shoot, I hit you.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, Vincent, you were waiting for my timer.
Hit
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got him. Oh, barely missed me. Watch out for the poop. Oh, in the arm. I'm down.
Are you down, Vincent?
He's down. He's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got his leg.
No.
Got you in the leg. The video doesn't lie. Oh, just got hit again by this guy. Player number
1.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boop! Back in action. I heard the whistle. Did I get you?
Nope.
Oh, in the leg again. This guy is good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Oh. Got a jam.
What did you have?